want to tell you about animal. What is animal? Animal is a living creature that live and move just like human. Animal live side by side with human. Animal don't have feelings. While animal don't need human. While animal they don't need human because they can find their own food and make the shelter.
Next.
Domestic animal is animal need human because they can't find their own food and they can't make the shelter. Three types of domestic animal. First, such as foods. Yeah, as food. Like chicken, chicken, as pet, like horse, and many more.
Louder. Then?
The last one is labor. Is buffalo and yes. This is my pet. My pet is guinea pig. I give the name is Teddy. If my pet has three colors, is brown, white, and black. My pet likes to eat vegetable like carrot and cucumber. My pet has 2 teeth in the mouth.
Then?
I think my pet is cute. The hobby is around the park, like
going around.
yeah.
Okay. Next. Okay.
According to their parents, have 5 benefits of petting animals. First, reducing stress. If we stressful,
If we are stressful,
yeah, a pet can make us happy and
what?
and I think not stressful kan?
Not stress.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Third is lowering blood pressure. If 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 we play with them, they can make us
What?
fun,
Happy.
and happy.
Then,
So if we play with them, we lowering the blood pressure. Third, increasing physical activity. If we have a pet, we can bring the pet to park or anywhere. So you move along. For boosting the health of our home. If we move along, we make our heart healthy and healthy and
that. Continue. Next.
easing loneliness and depression.
Easy.
If we have a pet, we need to bring us go to the park and
Bring to the park,
and then we have to
meet many people.
yes.
Okay. Next, please. Okay, this one answer. Should animals live in the zoo?
No,
Why?
because if pet in the zoo, it can make the pet stress.
Then
and then pet can to see the world.
cannot see the world.
Yeah.
Okay, because it is not then
Is not then
habitat. And if they stress, what will the animals do?
Is can make the pet die.
Okay, then think
I think that's all. Thank you.
okay.